Guys, hello and welcome. Alex here from Pod Cars in Hereford. Right, new stock arrival alert. One of our latest arrivals is this Audi Q2 1.6 diesel S-Line Black Edition in the Glacier White Metallic. It's an absolutely stunning little car. So beautiful, with full Audi service history. More details will be available with more photos once the vehicle has completed its preparation process, which is in progress. And it's the 30 TDI, so it's the 1.6 diesel, which is quoted to do around 47 plus to the gallon on a long run. So please keep in mind, if you are looking for a small SUV, then look no further. We have one in Herefordshire. They're very hard to find. They're quite rare cars in this spec. So please keep this one in mind with full Audi service history. We're here from 9 till 5:30 during the week and 9 till 12:30 on a Saturday. Book an appointment now and you could be driving away in your new Audi Q2 Black Edition. Thank you very much, guys, and we hope to see you soon. All the best now. Take care.